Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the True Temper Roof Snow Rake, okay? Now, this is not your standard garden rake. If you look here, there's no real sharp edges. It's pretty smooth. It's curved like this. You're going to use this to get excessive snow and ice off your roof. Now, I live in Pennsylvania. We just got hit with that snowstorm last week. We got like 8 inches of snow and then a bunch of ice on top. So we've got ice dams everywhere. And I purchased this to clean off my roof. Check out my other video. I'm going to show you how this works on my garage because it's a single-story pitched roof. And I think it's just easier to shoot a video of this True Temper in action. And then I'll let you know what I think, if it worked or not. Cool, let's get started. Well, I don't know what happened. I had a timer go off and the camera stopped, but let's take a look. I made some pretty good progress. I threw a ladder, tried to get as high as I could, but look, it's super snowy, icy. Take a look at this snow here, right? It's all chunks of ice. All right, so throwing a ladder there was questionable. I did the best I could. As you can see there, we got quite a bit of that off. Now what's gonna happen is that's gonna allow water to start draining out from under there, okay, and not getting trapped. So now I got one more roof we're gonna mess around with. All right, we're just gonna clear this one off with this snow rake. All right, let's see how it does. All right, and I got off what I could. It's really icy. So what we're gonna do is let this sit for a couple hours. And what I wanna come check in a little bit is there any water coming down from the channels that I hope this created, all right? Last piece of advice before we check back in a little bit, make sure someone's home when you do this and knows you're on the roof. Just safety stuff I should have said to start, all right? But let's see what happens. I'll be back. All right, this is what we're working with. And I think your whole roof is covered with that, and it's just acting as an insulator to the snow underneath and melting it, which is then finding any tiny cracks in the imperfections in the roof you might have, because water takes the path of least resistance. Now, I've got this shovel up here. To be very clear, I am just scraping the layer above, all right? I don't want it touching my rubber membrane roof because it can tear it up, all right? But I was just using it to shovel off like all this extra ice I have here. Now, my understanding, and maybe I'm totally wrong, maybe I'm close to right, I don't know. Taking off that top layer of ice, it's going to allow those the heat that's generating inside underneath of this ice to escape, all right? So it's not gonna start melting your snow and having it run on and pull up. Second, what it'll do is it now gives water that's melting under there a channel to come out, all right? So this cleared out a path, because as you see here, this isn't ice. I'll show you actually, I don't think it's a good angle. All right, as you see there, under there is snow. I'll show you real quick. A nice powdery snow, okay? There's the ice on top. So the whole point of this is to give that water somewhere to go and to let that heat come out from under here, all right? I'll back up a little bit and show you what I'm doing over here. I got the 2 socks there. I've been chipping away at the ice dam at the edges over there. I don't think you can really see it. The goal with that is to, again, create channels so the water that's trapped underneath this ice, the snow under that melts during the day, has somewhere to go. And then it's also going to open up that same side like I was talking about a moment ago, allowing that flow to occur, right? I think it was a good purchase. I think I spent, with my veteran discount at Home Depot, it was like $60. And honestly, like everything else was sold out. And a lot of these were like 150, 160 bucks. All right, the main purpose of this is just to get the snow off your roof without damaging your roof and breaking up those ice dams. I think it does a great job for that. Now, my only complaint is that when this john is extended all the way, like it is there, yes, you have a ton of reach, because look at that, that is huge, right? You have a ton of reach, but the problem is it gets really flimsy at the top. So it kind of becomes a little difficult to get really good grip into there. Now, if allowable, if the snow or ice you have is allowable, take chunks, scrape, chunk, scrape. But with this storm, especially if you're in the Northeast, you know what storm this was. Today is January 31st, 2026, all right? But anyway, do I think it's a good purchase? Yeah, definitely. If you need a snow roof rake, I'd say pick one up. I'll link it in the description. I'll link it in the shopping tab. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll have more stuff coming. I always do. Thanks for watching.